let's set up my small rose Laurel Denise planner for February. I have been struggling with how to use this planner for January, but I'm hoping that if I'm continually setting it up, creating some sort of structure for myself, I'll get into the groove and I'll learn how to use it for me. What will work best for me? So I figured out the Christie finally. I'm in a really good groove there. This one is giving me a little fits and starts. Is that the way you say it? Well, one step forward, two steps back is how I'm feeling right now. I've tried to get in here for the last week, get kind of used to it. I've been using the itty bitty stickies. They're good, but I haven't really figured it out. But I find that blank pages get me kind of nervous. So I want to fill this in with stickers, get it set up, and hopefully that will get me inspired to use this and get like messy, because this blank page is scary to me. So let's turn this around. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I did buy the Laurel Denise planner stickers. They're so pretty. They're so pretty that I want to use them. And there's no right or wrong way because none of them are labeled per month. They all include the same things, like kind of two banners that fit across the monthly. And then they have the days of the week like that you can put across the top. They've got numbers that you can put on the actual calendar days. They're just so pretty. And they're like, for instance, these both could be used for whatever months you want. Like I was thinking both of these for February. I purchased the Planner Kate one. This is the I'm gonna get this so wrong. I tried to say this and I tried to learn how to Habanichi Weeks Monthly from Planner Kate. This matches what I put in my Christie because I just love this little February right here. It's so funny. And I love these little stickers right here to put on the calendar. So these fit in these boxes right here. So I'll turn this around. I'll show you what I mean. And let's just set it up. So when I was looking at the different, what I wanted to say, when I was looking at these different planner banners that Laurel Denise came in, I thought that these colors worked best with these. So I'll show you what I'm doing. So I'm trying to match them up according to colors and feel, and hopefully these go well together. I don't know. So it's meant to be fun, and it's not meant to be like just so perfect, but I'm excited to do it. I'm going to turn it around, like I said, and let's plan February in my small rose together. Here is a look at what I did for January in my small rose. Just the banner right here is from Laurel Denise. This is from Laurel Denise. I added this from Planner Kate. And then these are all Planner Kate stickers right in here. And that's all I used. And then I'm still working with figuring out how to use this insert, which is a vinyl, whatever one you call it, washable insert. And these are my itty bitty sneaker stickers. And then I've been using this insert. Here, let me move this aside. I've been using this insert to practice before I get into the actual page that is in here. So let's turn this over for February. And I picked this colorway, this pattern from Planner Kate for February. And when I went through the different sticker banner pages from Laurel Denise, these two, and actually this one, they all kind of looked like they would go well with this. You've got the pinks, you've got the greens, and for some reason, I kind of want to go with this one because it's got more of the same pink. Even though this one does too, it's got some yellow in it. I don't know, I for some reason, I'm thinking this with the plants. I don't know. I'm not going to overthink it, and I'm just going to use this one. They're all so pretty that I don't think you can go wrong. So when you do these planner banners, there's like a little cutout right here so that you can see this through it. But I'm just gonna cover it with this. So I'll show you. So let me get started and you can follow along as I just add in these stickers for February. I think it might be easier to close it and have it like this. I know a lot of people have problems with these rings, but we will persevere. So I think it's the top one. I don't know why there's two. Maybe this is supposed to go for something else. And I did see that it's easier. See, now you can see how there's that opening right there. And it's supposedly easier to use a tweezer to do this. So let's come forward and then lay it down here. Ooh, it's going to be a little tight, I think. Line it up at the top. I'll lift this up so I can see. Pretty easy. And then, like I said, I'm going to take the February. Fun. And then I'm a Monday start, so I'm going to take this one. Okay, it's a little off right there, but that's not going to bother me. Not going to let that bother me. And then she's got the square numbers, but I kind of love these little tiny ones like this. So I'm going to use those. I forgot. I want to use a washi for the weekend. So let's just use this. It usually works if you hold it tight. There. As I'm looking at these stickers, I realized I could use all of these to mark off like certain content days. That's what I'm sort of thinking I'm going to use this for. Like, for instance, I used the calendar here to write, or I'm going to move that, to write, you know, when I was doing my YouTube for the planner videos, but I could have just written them on here and then added them in here. So maybe I'll do that going forward, plan out, you know, what I'm posting or things that I need to put in the calendar with these. And maybe that is something I just totally didn't think about and should do moving forward. So I'm going to look into doing that. I don't think these would have fit along here. I guess I could cut them and then do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but this is fine right up here. So that is a quick look at February setup with the Laurel Denise stickers. So I still have some more things in here that I could use for, you know, these, I could use these over here. For instance, I could come in and use that, you know, along the bottom maybe. And I could have used this yellow one. I forgot it was so thin for right here, but instead I just used this pink one. So that I should have used that. But maybe I'll just use these for the columns over here and separate that out. So to be determined. it's so interesting when I get in here and look at those different stickers and realize what I could be using them for. I need to take some time to think it out clearer and use what I have, because I think these stickers are going to be really, really useful for me, and maybe that's a missed opportunity for me not using them. I don't really know what people use these for. I haven't seen these being used by anybody else, but I assume they're, I could do, reels, shorts, YouTube. I could use them for things like that, and maybe people use them for appointments. I think obviously they have a million uses. It's just a question of figuring out what's going to work best. And I do like having the overview of what projects I'm working on as far as like what I've done so far in February. So that's a quick look at setting up February, thoughts on January, stickers that I'm using, and hopefully this week, well, I have to give myself a break because this was our first week in January, so I haven't really had a lot of time to really focus on this. So I need to give myself a break. It's only 1 week in January, and we have plenty of time for me to figure it out. So that's what I need to do. Maybe this afternoon I'll sit here and I'll scope it out, think about these other stickers, since I could use them. I have a whole month ahead of me. So that's what I am going to do. So thank you so much for hanging out with me for this quick video on setting up my February small rows. If you have any suggestions, ideas, send them my way. I would love to hear from you. Put them down in the comments, and hopefully that'll help me get more in tune to using this successfully. And it's a journey that I'll be sharing along with you, and hopefully I'll figure out the best way to use it. I think between the stickers, watching some other videos, the combine, is that how you say it, method could be really good for me. And the doing, done, I like that idea of moving little things along. Maybe I need colored itty bitty stickers. I don't know. I mean, it's not about buying more things. It's about using what I have, is what I'm trying to do. So we'll see how that goes. But thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. You'll get notified when the next video goes up. And I will see you, I think, for is it going to be week 4 now? I can't believe it. We are moving along. So thank you, and I'll see you then.